Hello and welcome, my friend. In today's video, we coming as every weekend. We came to analyze for you the Forex market and the Forex pairs. And by the way, if you are not subscriber to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up to help us to growing up more, because we are growing but slowly. And if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about trading, down below you're going to find one of my best selling courses. And it's not only for me, it's the best selling courses in Udemy. Down below you're going to find a couple links to the course. You're going to buy it only by $12. So $12 is nothing, it's just a cup of coffee, but you're going to learn a highly education. Is it 7 hours course, and in it more than 5 hours live trading in all the situation of the market. If there is news in the opening, everything, when the trend change on you, everything, and even there is 3 money management strategies. So you're going to learn everything from the scratch till you're going to be a pro trader. And if you don't have a brokerage yet, down below in the description, you're going to find my 2 favorite Forex brokers. My 2 favorites. I've been using them. One of them I've been using it from 2016 till today. They are very good brokerage, and you use them. The support of them is very high. So, my friends, let's go to the lesson of today. The first pair we got is the EURUSD, and if you remember last week we told you from here it's going to go up, and that's what happened. Let me show it to you. Here it is, what we said last week, and you can find it in the video. If you want to go back, you just watch it there. We said from here it's going to go till up here, till that level. Where is that candle here? Let me show it to you in the chart. We said last week is going to go till here, till that level. And that's what happened. From here it went more than that. I think everything is very clear. So then on Friday it came and making that small push down like that. So our view to it will go back up and touch maybe that level where at 1.18961, or it will go up till 1.19646. Then from there enter short, and it will go down more because it needs to break that one here. Because if you see the market structure, what it's giving you, that low, high, low, high, low, high, then it came here. What happened? It started slowing down. Then from here it go up like that. Then it will go up till that level. Then from there it will fall down. I think everything is very clear, my friend. But if you enter with money management, know what you're doing, not just Monday open a deal. And if you want to flow our signals, our daily signals, because we're given free, not payable, everything is free. If you want to follow our daily signals, you can join our Facebook group. You're going to find it in the description of this video. The only things you need just to have a Facebook account, and you join our Facebook there. And we put weekly and daily signals there. All the deals we enter in them, we put it there. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI picture to be more clear. In the RSI, we got that one is a daily trend, as you see it. The price, it touched it here again. Then from here, it went down. Our view, it will go back and touch it again. Then from there, it will fall down. I think everything is very clear. That will make us to enter at that long last week, as you see it. And by the way, also, we are not 100% right. There is nothing 100% right. Sometimes you're going to lose, and that is trading, that part of the game, the win and the lose. The most important, when you're losing, you don't need to lose your account. You need to stay in the game to back what you lose. Not someone enter with one deal. It said you enter from here, buy. Then the price, it went from here till down here, and you still holding the buy. That madness. I think I'm very clear with you. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the British pound, and the one here the last week. Let me show it to you. That one, what we said last week, we said from here it will go up till here, that level, that candle here. Then him it went till that one here. Let me show it to you in the chart. As you see, also we said it will go till here, because from here it said it will go till here. Then him the price it will till here. So if you are just someone, you enter from that level here, from 1.3704, you put here one order without stop, without nothing. The price is touch here to 1.39777. Then price it went down here. Over here you close everything and you go out without losing. I think I'm very clear with you. So now our view to it, the price it will go back and touch that level and drop. It will give us like that M. And it need to break it down here. Adjust the market structure. It will not do that. It will break here, and then from here it will need to go back up and to break the low of the previous low. Then from there you enter you. I think I'm very clear with you, my friend. So the RSI, as you see, my friend, we got here a divergence. Sorry, that just an error. We got here a divergence, that a daily divergence, that one. So the price it touch it again here. So our view from here it will go down, but it will go back up and touch it. Then from there it will go down. But my advice to you this weekend or this week, the British pound USD or the cable for down, for short, for bearish. There is no buy. Remember that. There is no buy. I think I'm very clear with you, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD. That one, same story. Let's show you the last week what we did. And last week, we said it here. That the Aussie, what we said it might from that level here, it will touch and go down, or it will go up till here. Then from there you enter short. There is no buying. Let's go back to the chart and see it. We said from that level. Then look what happened. It touched it here. If you enter from here, you make profit. It go back up. If you enter from here, you make profit. I think I don't know what can I say. You can lose. So now the price is given us that candle here, that small candle here. So our view, it will go up. Maybe it will from 0.73960 or from 0.74428. Then from there enter short to downside. Picture is very clear. Take profit at 0.73341. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. We zoom it out like that. The RSI, we got here that a trend, a downtrend, it started from here. So the price, it needs to go back up and touch it here, like how we said, to touch that trend line here. Then from there it will fall down. Same story down here. Touch it here, then from there it will fall down. Picture is very clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the USD CAD. And that one, as we said it last week, we said it's going to fall down from here, and that's what happened. Picture is very clear. is going to be more downside. Maybe it's going to come till 1.23,507, or from the level where it is now 1.24,573, it will go up. So USD CAD, it's only for buy this week. Remember that. Waiting a retracement, then buy. Tail up where it started from the downside. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI, the picture to be more clear. In the RSI, as you see, we got here that a divergence will make the price to fall down. That's what I told you in the last week. Now, here down, we got a trend line, as you see it, that one. So our view, it will go down and touch it again. Then from there, it will go up again. Same story here, go down here. Then from there, go up to the overbought area. And here you take in the profit. Picture is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is USD Japanese Yen. USD Japanese Yen, that one is another story, and you need to remember it. That one, it will go up. It will go up till 110.071. It will go up till 110.071 or till 110.473. Then from there it will fall down, because the fall down is still more tail down till 108.595. Then from there it will go up, because we got here a channel, and the channel, the price it touch the up of it, it need to touch the down of it for the price to continue the upside. Picture is very clear, but for this week it will go up till where it started, till here or here. So I don't advise you to enter in it long, but if you are a scalper and you know what you're doing, it might you enter at it from here till here. You make a small profit, then from there you wait it and you enter in it short. That just if you are a scalper and you know what you're doing. But if you are a swing trader, I advise to you to enter in it short. Picture is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI, as you see, my friend, we got here that the divergence will make the price to fall down. That the trend line of the divergence. But we got down here a small divergence. That one we're going to push the price up. As you see, now our view to it will touch it here again. Then from there it will go up. So it will touch here. It will go up here. From there it will fall down again. Remember that. So I think that's it for that pair, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the gold. And the gold, as we said it last week, we said from here it will go up. And that's what happened. Then look what happened on Friday. It came to that level, then it pushed it down. So it might from 1,793.41, it will go up. Or it will go down till that level, till 1,764.65. Then from there it will go up more higher. Because the gold, I'm a believer in it, and as I told you last week, I'm trading only in the spot. And even you, if you want to trade the gold in the spot, just open an interactive broker and start trading the gold in spot. You buy it and you leave it there, because gold is a safe haven. So, and let me to show you where is the target of me. Target of me is it here at the high of the one at 2052.30. That my view, it will break it up, because the pandemic it's not yet finished, and just came a delta variant now, but that's not our case. So let me analyze for you the RSI. In the RSI, as you see, my friend, we got here a trend line. That the trend line, as we said it, was it touch here, it touch it here. Now our view, it will come down and touch it, then from there it will go up. Same story here in the RSI, touch it here. So our view, it will come down and touch it here. from there it will go up. So you waited here, that place to buy it. There is no selling. There is no selling in the gold. Remember that. There is no selling in the gold. There is no selling in the gold. Remember that, my friend. There is no selling. It will go down till here. From there, buy it. That's it. So the other pair we got, my friend, and the last pair is the the dragon. And that one is the Fiverr currency or Fiverr pair for retail traders. So that one, it's been going up, a small up, then from there it's going to fall down. Let me zoom it to show you more. As you see here, price it touched that level of 153.277. Then it fall down a little bit. Our view trade will go up and touch it again. Then from there it will fall down again. You can take the first target at 151.351 or at 159.578. I think picture is very clear. It will go up till here because you don't know that market and there is no control for it. But the instructor, as you see, low, high, low, another low here. It gives us another high. It gives you another low here. Go back here. Our view trade, it will give you another low than that one. Picture is very clear, my friend. So, my friend, see you next week. I hope you're going to spend a very nice weekend. And if you want our daily signals, you can join us in our Facebook group where you're going to find us. We put in there daily signals, and even in the Bitcoin, we put in there daily signals. So, hope you enjoy it and you enjoyed the video. And please, if you are not subscriber, if you want the course, down below you're going to find a couple link of 95%. So my friends, see you in the next week. Bye for now.